In this TradingView tutorial, you will learn how to create a new watchlist in TradingView. So first of all, open TradingView. Here you can see that I have a watchlist for crypto. Now suppose I want to create another watchlist for my favorite stocks. So I click on the watchlist, and here you can see the option to create a list. So if you want to create a new watchlist, click on the Create New List. Then name your watchlist. I want to create this watchlist for stocks, so I name it Stocks. Done, my watchlist has been created. Here you can see all the lists you created. Now add symbols to your watchlist. Suppose I add Apple and Tesla. So search your favorite stocks here and then add them to your new watchlist. So that's it guys, this is how you can create a new watchlist in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks for watching.